Hello and welcome Pokemon fans, I'm Professor Squirtle and today we're going to open up two of the V-Union boxes from Japan. Not Japan. Anyway, I have the Mewtwo and the Greninja. Originally I thought I had ordered the Zacian, not Mewtwo. Turns out it was the Zacian I hadn't ordered. Hopefully, eventually I'll probably be able to purchase it, but let's get cracking. The artwork already is just beautiful when you look at it. Now on the boxes, that's not dust, that's actually how it is. That's the pattern, the texture. So that's the back of it. You do get the Professor Burnett card. You get 3 packs of Blue Sky Stream and 3 of Tower and Perfection, along with the promo Mewtwo V-Union. So let's get this out and then we'll end on the Greninja. Okay, so let me get these into sleeves. Okay, don't really want to damage these at all. I need to find a way to display these. I'd love it if a grading company was able to grade all of these in one slab together, or a way for us to showcase it really. But let's just get these into some sleeves and we'll try and showcase them all together. So there's the bottom half of Mewtwo. Let's just try and put that together there. Okay, and then that's the top half. Yeah, it's probably like that basically. I'm just going to put them all together like that for now. So here's our packs. So this will be the Professor Burnett. Don't want to cut. I find Japanese packs a lot harder to open than English. There we are. Professor Burnett. Now I know these boxes are coming out in English, is it September? And they do feature the Professor Burnett card as well. So there we are. But I think they come with a jumbo card as well. I know that much. Obviously you get the 4 V-Union cards. And I think they come with 4 booster packs. I think it's from what I see in Vivid Voltage, Chilling Rain, Evolving Skies. I can't remember what the other one was. So it's obviously in the Japanese, it's only 5 cards per pack, and you're not guaranteed a rare. But let's see what we can get, if anything really. There we are. But I've always said, if you can open up Pokemon packs, it's always a good time. Whether you get a hit, get the card you want or not, it's all about fun. There we are. So obviously it's 1 to the front from the back. There we are. Let's try and get them on the camera. Wooloo. Schoolgirl, I think. I'm not sure. So let's try not to cut any cards because that would be no fun. Klefki, Vigoroth, and some gloves. If you saw my Evolving Skies booster box opening last week, you know that I'm after that requires a V and VMAX alternate art. I would love to get hold of them, but it's always the chase. I do like having a nice chase. Likelihood is I probably, ooh, hollow toxicity, very nice. I probably won't ever pull them cards unless I go and buy them. But for me, don't get me wrong, there's some cards you know, the older ones you'll probably need to go and buy, but it defeats the purpose if you go and purchase newer cards. That's just me, each to their own. You know, I'm not going to say that my way is better, because my way probably isn't better for anyone apart from myself. Ooh, Medicham V, very, very nice. Gracing us with your presence once again. So, last pack from this one box. Probably be a nice short video for you all today. And let's go. But yes, I mentioned last week I plan on doing a live stream this Friday. Might be an hour, 2 hours, maybe more. Not 100% sure. There we are, wishy-washy. But as we open up the Greninja, let me know in the comments, do you want me to do a live stream or just a pre-recorded video? And if you do want a live stream, me to do a live stream, what game? I can do Monster Harvest, Pixelmon mod for Minecraft, or the Pokemon TCGO. Let me know what you would like me to do. So that's one Greninja pot. Let me just grab these out off camera quickly. And I have to say, I think my favourite out of these so far is the Greninja artwork. There we are. So let's have a look. So that's definitely, I would say, a foot for Greninja. It's head, that's the other one. So that's the bottom half. Let's try and get it a little bit closer. So there's the bottom half. Give me a second. Trying to show you all as sort of like one artwork, but sort of like that. Such a beautiful artwork. So I'll leave this one sealed for now, Professor Burnett. Yeah, we'll leave it sealed for now. No point in opening it up. I've already shown you what it looks like. So again, 3 of each packs. So we had one V from the last box. Can we do the same again? Get another V or better? We had, I think, one hollow as well from the last one. So we've got more gloves, Wigglytuff, Lotad, and an Altaria. Yeah. One of these days I'm going to end up cutting a card. Right. Toxicroak, Pumpkaboo, Skarmory, Grogunk. Oh, very nice. So there, I would say that's probably our V from the box, but hopefully maybe something else. Let's see. Tyrant Perfection. So we've got Drampa, Gliscor, Jigglypuff, and another Scroll. I probably shouldn't be given scissors. I'm a danger to myself. There we are. So we've got Zinnia, Stoutland, Toxicroak. Toxel, sorry, Tropius, and a Zygarde Hollow. So I'd probably say that's both. Yeah, it's definitely the Hollow and the V card from the box. Just curious about the pull rates on these. I'm still waiting for my booster boxes. Still. But they'll turn up eventually. Apparently they're having some stocking issues in Japan, which I know there is stock issues with Pokemon, because I'm still, as of recording, I've had an email to say my Evolving Skies Elite Trainer boxes are late due to issues. It happens with everything, so I'm not too worried at the moment. There we are. So our last card is going to be another holo Salamence. Very nice. So we've got the Medicham and the Golurk V. Can't complain really. So if you enjoyed the video, please hit that like button. While you're down there, consider hitting the subscribe and notification bell while you're there. And hopefully I'll see you in another video. Goodbye.